Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today we are discussing about aquaponics versus hydroponics. Aquaponics and hydroponics is the future along with vertical farming in the greenhouses and shade nets other than the fields. Aquaponics means combination of aquaculture and hydroponics where fish waste nourishes plants and plant cleans the water. Benefits of aquaponics: sustainable, eco-friendly, reduce water usage, produce fish and animal plants, natural fertilizer from fish waste. Challenges of aquaponics require more maintenance and monitoring, higher initial setup cost, balancing fish and plant needs. What is hydroponics? Hydroponics grows plants in nutrient rich water without soil, using a soilless medium for precise environmental control. Benefits of hydroponics: faster plant growth, efficient use of space, easier control of nutrients, low risk of soil borne disease. Challenges of hydroponics: dependence on electricity and technology, requires conta- constant monitoring, higher risk of system failures affecting plants. Key difference of aquaponics and hydroponics: aquaponics relies on fish waste, while hydroponics uses nutrient solutions. Maintenance of aquaponics involves managing plants and fishes, whereas hydroponics only require plant care. Initial cost of aquaponics generally has higher startup cost due to fish tanks and extra